Guess what? I got him. Yes, the bi LED fog lamp, 3 colors, M617, Chinese product. So I got this from Alibaba, and the way it's packaged, so this was going for $58, but the shipping has taken around $53. Yeah, so they charge $13 per kg, and this was 5 point what, 5 point something kg. But what actually made all that weight is the things that they used to package. You see, all this was in the package, but this is how it looks like. So these are Projector fog lights. It comes pre-installed. It has an LED bulb in it, and I chose for the one that has 3 colors. So this tells you that is the yellow color, is this, I think it's the one that's called warm white, and this. And by LED projector means that it has both high beams and low beams. So yeah, I've seen the Indian guys installing these things, and it's bright. You can actually drive with it without using your normal headlights. So yeah, so I'll show you how to install this. I might not show you how to install it, but I will show you the end result, because I will have it installed in my vehicle. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So I'll show you how it looks after installation, and I will probably show you how to install it, but because I can do it myself actually, but I would prefer somebody else to do it, because the high beam part, I'm not very much conversant with how it's supposed to work. So yeah. So this is how they look. I need to adjust them a little bit, but that's actually the dim light. That's how it looks like. And here comes the fog light. Ooh, yellow. Yeah, need to do a little bit of adjustment. No lights at all. Fog lights only. That's white, yellow, and the other color, which I think it's also, well, I don't know the name of that, but they're super bright. So I need to adjust them to the right height, because definitely these are fog lights. Yeah, but I can tell you for sure you can walk with them like that. So this is how the dim lights look like. Useless HID 35 watts. That's how the full light looks like. It's also useless. No lights at all. Fog lights. So that's it. If you need to get this kind of fog lights, you can get them in Alibaba or AliExpress, depending on which kind of, because they say Alibaba is business to business, AliExpress is a business to client, B to C, B to B. Yeah, if you're lucky enough to get them at $58 like I did, you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe if this video is interesting to you. Also, you can give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's it for today.